Hello everybody, welcome to this class. Today we are starting with the step one. The step one of today's class is to write your script. As you can see, I've written 1 minute AI YouTube video script about the story of Elijah when he called on fire. And AI does everything for me. It writes the script from A to 2. But the script should not be more than 1 minute, at least 48 seconds to 1 minute. That's the word. That is. Then I'll start with selecting my prompt, my scenes one by one. I'll select my scenes and generate image for each scene. As you can see now, I've choose. They say one man once stood against 400 prophets and the sky itself washed. It generated image for me. It is not this image I will not copy. I will not copy this image prompt and carry it into Meta AI. Meta AI will not. I will not paste it there. It's Meta AI that will not give me the image. It is Meta AI that will give me the image. As you can see, it's still loading. As you can see, it has given me the first image, but I don't like this one. But I'll put in the prompt again, and it will give me another image. That's just, it's not, there's nothing hard there. It will give me another image now. As you can see, now it will give me the image. And then I'll press animate to turn it into video. Then I'll go. And I'll do it the same thing for the second scene again, which was on Mount Carmel. Elijah faced the prophets of Baal. That alone is another scene. It is another scene. So I have to go and I will not put it into ChatGPT. ChatGPT will not turn it into prompt. ChatGPT is the one that turn your normal scenes into prompt that you carry into Meta AI. Now it has turned it into prompt. I can now copy this. And paste it in Meta AI. As you can see, this one, it has already gotten video for that one. Like now I'm pasting this other prompt now. I'm waiting for it to load. As you can see now, it shows when it's facing many prophets on Mount Baal. You can see the mountain at his back. You can see the prophet, and it shows that it's the one alone. So this one is the perfect image. So I will press animate this. Then I'll go again to the next scene. That is how I'll be doing it little by little till I finish the whole script. Then I carry it to ChatGPT, paste it, and generate a prompt for this. It brings out the prompt. It is that prompt you will now carry to Meta AI. It's only Meta AI you'll be using prompt for, nothing else. You won't be using prompt for 11 Labs or Vidman. Only Meta AI that needs prompt. So I've copied that prompt. I'll paste it here now. As you can see, it's loading. Yes, this one still brings out what I want. It still brings out what I want it to do. It's okay like this. Then I'll press animate this. That's how you'll be doing it little by little till you finish the whole script. But let me not waste your time. Let me just take it to the part whereby you will copy your script. So that's how I did it. I finished my whole. So I'll copy the whole script starting from the C till the end, to the end of the script, where the script, so the closing line. The reason why mine has closing line is because this is not the first time I'm using it. So, and I usually post on YouTube, and this is not the first time I'm using it. That's why yours might not have that, but just carry it to the ending. As you can see, I'm removing this from my one. I want to paste it at 11 Labs. As you can see, I'm removing all the unwanted spaces, all the spaces I don't want, all the things I don't want to appear in my video. I'm removing it. In my audio, I'm removing it. As you can see, I'm removing all the space, so everything will move fluently. There will not be too much space. There will not be stress in the editing. I'm removing all the space. This closing line that they put here, you remove the closing line, because if you don't remove it, that closing line will appear in your audio. So you remove anything that will disrupt your audio. Remove everything. As you can see, I'm doing everything. Yes, now it's not perfect now. I cannot click on generate. See the generate button. It's generating now. Generating now. It is playing. You wait for it to load finish for like 10 seconds before it brings out another thing before this plus button. Please, well, I've already shown that thing which you press to save it in the last class. So that is what you click. You cancel here, you click it again. And when you click it, you see save audio clip. Then you save audio clip. You press save audio clip. Once you see that it has been added to your, that is when you will now go to Vidman and pick your videos. You will now pick all the videos you generated. You pick it one by one. Yes, pick it from the one you start with so that everything will be arranged. Pick the one from the down one to the up one, the up one at the last. So you start from the first picture to the last, so everything will be lined. Now go to audio, click on local, then I'll press 11 labs. You can see it. Is it that is at the front there? Now I'll play the video to see whether everything aligns, whether it aligns. Playing it, I'm seeing whether it aligns. But here, this is the part where we will now start our editing. I will now start the editing. As you can see, from this part, I'll start adjusting and trimming the video. As you can see, you can reduce the speed of the video. You can reduce the speed of the video. If you reduce the speed, the time which the normal video is 4 seconds. If you reduce the speed, it can increase to 8 seconds or 10 seconds depending on how you reduce the speed. Like this now, I'm checking it whether it matches, because some parts the words are longer, so I will not have to reduce the speed for it to match. You can see I'm reducing the speed. Once you click on it on the video, you want to reduce the speed, you'll see something like speed there. Then you click on speed, then you can reduce it or hide it anyhow you want, but it's reducing that increases duration, which is the time with the video lasts for. So I'm doing everything to match where the word starts so that there will not be spaces. So everything will be from one scene to another directly. Not that it will be like this. Now I'm reducing the speed in every places. I reduce the speed for this one. I saw that no, the speed is not enough. I still have to add to reduce it again. Like this now, so I reduce this now. I now saw that this one match. I now moved on. That is how you'll be doing it little by little by little by little. You will edit it, calm down, make sure the storyline matches. Make sure the storyline matches little by little. You can see this one. I reduced the speed to 0.5 and it got turned to 8 seconds video. That is how I increase the time of my video. I reduce it more into 3 seconds and it turned to 13 seconds video. I reduced it to 0.3 and it turned to 13 seconds from a 4-second video. Turned it to the 13-second video. So that's how you'll be doing it little by little by little till you finish the whole. So I'm doing the rest. I'm doing it for the rest. That's how I'll just be doing it. Just be trimming it. Just be trimming it. Some your videos might be longer. So you can even reduce the length of your video. You can reduce the length. The way you can increase the length with speed, you can also reduce it with speed. Or better still, you can see this is the end of the trimming. So I'm trimming everything little by little till everything got done. When you go down, I saw that yes, you can see I reduced the video by dragging. So this rest part that I want that I'm putting right now, you don't need to know the rest part because you don't need it. It's those that post on YouTube or that needs to do this last part I'm doing. So I think I'll be skipping it. I'll be skipping the part. So you guys don't need that one yet. Now time to choose transition. You can look at that small box, that small white box. That was what I pressed. You will not press fade. You choose on fade. You choose on fade. Then you will not click on apply to all. So apply to all on itself. You can see all the images are fading. Fade is good for storytelling. all, all the images. It is now later on your own you can start exploiting different ones you can use. It is on your own you start exploiting different ones you can use. So you can see these are sound effects. If you need sound effects in some places, if you want to add sound effects, you can add sound effect like one shot, short fast. You can use any sound effect. Those choose anyone that you think will match a particular scene. You can choose anyone. There is fart, there's anything, there's human, there are a lot of sound effects here. As you can see now, this one I added it because of what may I do. I post on I post on YouTube. So you can see fart, different ones. They are different. So you can see, and that is all. That is all you need. And you can choose a background sound if you want.